Is Outlook stuck and not syncing your emails? If yes, this video offers you all you need to fix the problem. This frustrating issue can arise from a variety of causes, such as poor internet connection, account configuration errors, or even Outlook working in offline mode. Today, I'll guide you through quick, effective fixes to get your Outlook syncing again. And if you need additional support, our experts are just a call away. Just give us a call at the numbers on the screen. Alright, let's get started now. Method 1. Update your Outlook application. For the first step, open Settings on your computer. Once you're on Settings window, click on the Apps option. After that, select the default Apps option. Next, scroll down to the Outlook option and click on it. On the next screen, check if your Outlook needs an update. If updating Outlook does not fix the syncing issue, then follow the next method and make changes in the IMAP folder. Method 2. Make changes in IMAP folder. First of all, you should launch your Outlook application. After that, go to the inbox, right-click on it, and then choose the IMAP folders option. In the open pop-up box, you should click on the query option. Next, you need to go to the subscribe tab and then choose all the files under it. After selecting all the folders, what you need to do is click on the unsubscribe option. Head back to the All tab. Here, you need to choose all the folders and click on subscribe. You should do this to all folders one by one. Once that's done, go ahead and uncheck the box below it and then click on Apply option. After that, choose the OK option. Now, check if your Outlook syncing issue is gone. If not, then continue with the next solution. Also, if you find these solutions helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Method 3. Change the Send/Receive settings. In your Outlook, click on the Send/Receive tab. Next, select the Send/Receive Groups option. From the list of options, you need to choose Define Send/Receive Groups option. Now, a pop-up will appear on the screen. Go ahead and click on the Edit option. On the Open page, you should uncheck the Get Folder Unread Count option. Next, go down a little and select the Use the Custom Behavior Defined Below Radio button. Now, head to the box, select the Inbox option and click on OK button. Select the Close option for this window and then see if your Outlook syncing issue is fixed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.